Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious Korean fried cauliflower wings. As a special twist, I've decided to put them on skewers. These are the perfect no-mess appetizer for your Super Bowl feast. They're super easy, so let's get started. First, to make our sauce, add neutral oil to a pan, then add grated ginger and garlic. Cook for 1 minute. Add in some Korean chili sauce. You can find Korean chili sauce in the Asian section of any grocery store. Add ketchup, brown sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine vinegar. Mix well and simmer over low heat for another 2 minutes. Set to the side while we make our wings. Skewer your cauliflower florets using 3 to 4 florets per skewer. If you don't want to use skewers, you can skip this part. To a large measuring cup or bowl, add all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. Add 1 beaten egg, or you can use vegan egg. Check out my blog post for the full list of vegan substitutes. Now add enough ice cold club soda until your batter is pretty thin. It should look just like a tempura batter. Pour your batter into a separate container for easier dipping. Dip each floret into the batter and make sure that it's generously coated in the batter. Let the excess fall off just like this. Then we're going to add each cauliflower skewer to some hot oil. And we're going to fry for 5 to 7 minutes or until they look like this. Next, we're going to generously sauce each cauliflower skewer. If you don't plan on serving immediately, just serve the sauce on the side. Garnish these bad boys with some sesame seeds and some freshly chopped scallions. Now how good do those cauliflower wings look? I hope you enjoyed this video for Korean fried cauliflower wings. If you did, please remember to click the like button below. And if you're not already, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more easy vegan and vegetarian recipes. Until next time, bye friends.